It is a great day to be a UW alum. I'm Jack Tennant, Executive Director of the University of Wyoming Alumni Association, and I'm here in front of the brand new renovated law school. What do you think, Socrates? Should we go check it out? I'm here with Julie Hill, our new Dean of the College of Law. Julie, tell us a little bit about your journey back to the state of Wyoming.
So I started my legal career about 20 years ago over in Cheyenne. And I married a guy from Saratoga and University of Wyoming alum. Our first date was to a UW football game, and it was cold. But our careers eventually took us elsewhere, and we were always looking for opportunities to get back. So when the deanship opened up and they offered it to me, I just couldn't be more thrilled for this opportunity. It's a real honor to be here.
Well, it's great to have you back. You know, they say once a cowboy, always a cowboy.
Go Pokes.
The building, $38 million project, over 20,000 square feet of expanded space and almost that much renovated space. Tell us a little bit about what it means to be new on the job, but to have a space like this.
Oh, this is the best way you could ever welcome a new dean. Right? We needed this space so badly. Our clinics, which provide experiential learning for our students and also provide pro bono legal services for clients, have been in the annex over across Grand Avenue. It's not a very nice space. It's far away from the law school. And we're going to have all of this clinic space that you see behind me for our students and their clients. And it's going to just take our clinics to the next level. This is a really great addition to the law school.
Recently, we just did the ribbon cutting and grand opening of the whole thing, and now with it being called the Alan K. Simpson Center for Clinical and Experiential Learning, tell us a little bit about what it was like to have not just Al and the Simpson family and all of those people back, but to be able to cut the ribbon right here.
Oh, it was a great event, and it was such an honor to have Senator Simpson and his family here. One of the things that we're trying to do with this space, and as you look through it, you'll see lots of references to the Simpsons, but they have such a good family values, public service, integrity, hard work. And we're hoping that these are attributes that our students aspire to. And we'd like to remind them of that just as they go about their daily lives. And we hope that all of our students, when they leave here, that they have some of those Simpson values to carry with them. And so it was just so special to have them here, to see that, and to be able to share their experience with others. It was just such a great day.
Well, you heard it right here from the dean. Come back, come see this incredible space, come check it out, and
Go Pokes!